Hello, in this lab, we're going to be working on lab 10.5.7, which is to configure a security appliance. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You increase security for the corporate network. You have installed the pfSense network security appliances in your network. Now you need to configure the device. So in this lab, your task is to configure pfSense as follows. Sign in to pfSense using the following case sensitive information. So configure the DNS server as follows. Primary DNS server we're given, secondary is given also. Then we're going to configure the WAN IP4 information as follows. Enable the interface, use a static IP4 address as 65.86.196/8. A new gateway using the following information. Type gateway, name 1 gateway, IP address 65.86.1.1. So we start up. If this video is too fast for you, you can pause the video and work at your own pace. I'm trying to shorten this video and make this as fast as possible so that the video won't be too long. So we go to pfSense, type in the username that was given, which is admin, then password. Let's just copy and paste to make things faster, and then we sign in. And what do we have? Configure the DNS servers as follow. General setup, and let's see, DNS server 163.128.80.78.93. okay, so we add DNS 197.168.53. so this is going to be DNS2, and then primary DNS server. So this is it. So we're going to let's go down and see. So we save, and then we configure the WAN IP4 information as follow. So we go to interfaces and WAN, then enable interface, use the static IP address of, okay, so it's going to be static, and the address is going to be 65.24.136. so 65.86.24.136/8. then we add the C default gateway, selected gateway name 1 gateway, and the address is going to be 65.86.1.1. we add and save, and that is it, folks. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.